and welcome to Tuesday Talks. My name is Skye Quintero, and I'm one of the talent development facilitators here at Workforce Solutions Rural Capital Area. If you are joining us for the first time, Tuesday Talks is our monthly video series that gives you career tips and advice. This series can help not only in your job search, but also your overall career. I'm excited to share today's topic with you, identifying your career goals. Whether you are a recent graduate or have been working for several years and plan on making a career change, it is important before beginning your job search to sort out your career goals and narrow down your search. What is a career goal, you might ask? A career goal is an ideal state that you aim for in your professional life. These goals can also aid in your professional development and can be characterized as short-term or long-term, depending on how much time you anticipate working towards achieving your goal. Let's explore 3 tips on helping you identify your career goals. Tip number 1, defining your career goals. When you begin the process of creating a career goal, you'll discover that your goals could lead you in several directions. So, before you can achieve your career goals, you must first define them. Career goals are specific milestones that you can achieve in your career journey. What milestones and goals you decide are aligned with your chosen profession. You also want to keep in mind where you want to be in the future. Ask yourself, what industry am I aiming for? What specific position? Do I have a dream job? If yes, what steps do I need to take to get there? Asking yourself these questions will help you figure out what exactly it is you're looking for. Once you've got your list of career goals in hand, begin to develop a plan of action to reach your goals. Use the SMART model to identify specific models and the steps you need to take to achieve them. Set milestones on the path to reaching your short or long-term goals to keep you encouraged and motivated. The SMART model for reaching goals is as follows: specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Be specific and clearly identify your specific goals. Make your goals measurable by defining criteria for tracking your progress. Make your goals attainable. Your end goals should have at least a 50% chance of being achieved. Make your goals relevant and be sure each milestone is important and relevant to your desired outcome. And lastly, make your goals time-bound. They should fit within a specified time frame. Following the SMART model could push you further, give you a sense of direction, and help you organize and reach your career goals you've set. Tip number 2, identifying your skills and experience. When you begin the process of creating a career plan, you'll discover that your plan could go in several directions. This is where deep reflection will help you navigate the path that's right for you through exploring what your interests, talents, and true desires really are. Once you've identified what you would prefer to do in your career, it's time to consider outside factors. Take the time to do your research in your desired field and decide if the demand is acceptable level and entry is not too easy or too difficult for you based on your experience and skills. From there, you can develop a curated list of careers that match your skills and interests. Don't forget, there's always creative ways to use your current soft and hard job skills in a field that truly interests you. Tip number 3, measuring your progress. Now that you've taken the time to reflect on what direction you want to go and what tools, skills, and experiences you have to offer, it's time to analyze how your career goals fit within your specified time frame. Developing a time frame can help you measure your progress by making it easy to visualize the progress you've made. This can help you set realistic deadlines and update unrealistic ones. So, to recap, when identifying your career goals, make sure to define your specific career goals, utilize the SMART model to help you determine what goals you want to achieve, identify your skills and experience, and measure your progress. Having these steps in your mind while navigating what career goals you want to set could be a helpful guide to achieving them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. For more tips and information on helping you navigate your job search, attend one of our free virtual workshops. We have a full calendar of workshops. check out our website at www.workforcesolutionsrca.com to register. While you're there, you can explore all of the tools and resources provided to our job seekers. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the absolute best of luck in your job.